So, Red IPA grain to glass, as you just saw. Quick video for you. Brew date went absolutely lovely, it really did. I think it was actually my last brew I've done on the Braumeister, because that's going now, it's going sold up, because I've got a whole new setup now, a big 3-vessel SS Brewtech system. I suppose I'll show you that on another video. But this Red IPA, at the start of the video, you've seen that hop drop, big boy hop drop, and that 130 grams, I think, but it was all Citra and Galaxy. Now, I wanted a lovely Red IPA, you know, like an American style, bittered with Chinook, and the Citra and Galaxy more or less last off, and then that big hop drop you saw. Citra and Galaxy will always work together in American ales, but you know, with that slightly roasted malts on the red to get colour, does it work? Here you go, do a little label, Battleship Chains, 5.3%. Battleship Chains, eh? What a name for a Red IPA. You know they're going to be rusty. Now, carbonation, I know it doesn't look great, but all this went in the keg, to be fair, and I ended up bottling around about 8 bottles up, and it's been in the shed now. Oh, to be fair, it's come quite nice actually, hasn't it? It's been in the shed now around about 5 weeks, so it has dropped at night the temperature, so maybe it is too cold, but if I had it at room temperature, maybe a bit more lively. I shouldn't really know, because that's looking quite divine in the glass, ain't it? So yeah, on the aroma, guys, Citra and Galaxy, what do you expect? What punches through there? The Galaxy for sure really comes through. Citra on the back end a little bit, but you know, it's all about the Galaxy for me. Let's just go in, quick run through, and then I'll talk about the molds, or I'll put the full description of the recipe down below anyway. Cheers. Oh, that's so bloody good. I'm dead happy with that, I really am. A few of these is actually going out in beer mails over Christmas in the 1 kit challenge. I'm actually taking part in. But yeah, 5.3% guys, and 46 IBUs.
Now, the little label, as you can see, is my logo, but Red Dog Ales, this I'm calling myself, all be well, from the commercial, or little nano setup. But
yeah, I think this, for a Red IPA, it really works. But, you know, it's not a lot of favourites. People don't like a lot of Red IPAs, you know, hit or miss into it. It's a bit like a black IPA. But if you get it right, with American hops like this, it's a proper good drink. I think this will work really well in the summer. I really do. Mouthfeel is so bloody good. There's a bit of Torrified Wheat in there, Melanoidin Malt. With a little bit of chocolate wheat to deepen the colour, and then just basically pale malt and medium crystal. I think that's what it was. But like I said, I'll put the full recipe down below if you want to fancy knocking up yourself with the hop additions. And the yeast, it was what is it? American yeast. I think it's just US-05, I'm sure it was. I got it from my local homebrew shop, US-05, so that's all it was. But 5.3%, it's very, very quaffable. I would love, though, to knock a Red IPA up English style. So to get that colour, like a red ale, to get that colour, but then hit it with maybe like UK Cascade, bit of Bramley Cross, something like that, just to make it pure English. But yeah, this is very, very punchy, as you'd expect. Chinook for bittering, probably only around about 12 grams, I can't really remember, but just to get that bitterness you need. But then Citra and Galaxy, last off. Wow, really, really has played really well. Very, very happy with that. I'll be thinking a few of them this afternoon before back at work tomorrow. That's it, guys. Red IPA, grain to glass. Let me know your thoughts below in the comments. And yeah, we're nearly hitting 1,000 subscribers now, aren't we? Bloody hell, that'd be awesome. I think if I do hit 1,000 subscribers, that probably won't be this year. Probably start a new year or something. We'll do a lovely giveaway with the commercial beer I brew at work, I guess. Another big box of Magpie ales, all brewed by myself. Why not? Guys, Red IPA, grain to glass. Top draw that. Cheers.